Struggling with much and many? Let's clear that up in 60 seconds. First, ask yourself, can I count it? Use much for things you can't count, like water. So we say, how much water is there? Now look at these apples. You can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For things you can count, use many. We say, how many apples are there? Remember, sand, sugar, and time are things you can't count. Use much. Books, people, and coins are things you can count. Use many. If you can add an S to the word, you almost always need many. Much for the uncountable, many for the countable. It's that simple. You've got it. Hit that subscribe button for more fun lessons every week.